Hi guys, good afternoon everyone. This is Subraj. I'm going to start a new web series on QA process, including manual and test automation. Or whatever the sessions I'm going to take through this QA training hub channel, completely I'm going to teach on the basis of some domains. I'm taking banking or insurance or e-commerce. This training process completely based on international software testing qualification. Why I'm mentioning that following ISTQB standards are always essential as a test engineer because that certification also worldwide very valuable. Once you completed my series of videos, definitely you are getting great idea about this ISTQB and testing process. So first I decided to teach with some modules. Module 1, software testing fundamentals. This module contains basics and core part of the software testing process. So why do and who can and what is a software introduction to software testing, what is a quality, project meaning, product, main objectives and scope of testing. Like this different terminologies I'm going to provide you in module 1 level. So module 2 completely related to software development lifecycle process. There are some methodologies are there. The methodologies which are highly essential to understand the process to take right from starting of the project means requirement gathering to delivery and maintenance. Every phase is very important to understand that one. Oldest methodology from waterfall model to latest framework is called Scrum, which is highly demanded right now in the market. So several methodologies I'm providing in the module. Then I'm providing in the module 2 software testing core concepts. It contains ways of testing, kinds of testing, methods of testing, levels of testing, and types of testing. All these are core components before we are entering into practical part of the testing process. So this knowledge is very helpful to you to understand our software testing lifecycle process. In the smoke testing level, mainly I'm discussing with you what are the functionalities majorly we need to test and what are the functionalities we are leaving without testing. Also, I'll take a session practical. So like this positive, negative, body testing, pay testing, globalization, localization. There are number of testing types available, including functional level as well as non-functional. After that one, I'm coming to module number 4, which is highly essential for the software testing. In the software testing lifecycle process, my main goal is STLC 8 phases available. Of course, some people teaching 6 phases, some people teaching 8 phases. Anyway, as per IEEE standard, it's a 6 phases only. Institute of Electrical and Electronics Engineers. So that organization is there. As per that organization, as per IEEE organization, we are having 6 phases. But generally, I'm discussing with you 8 phases. What that one? Initiation, planning, designing, execution, analysis, tracking, reporting. And the reporting only complete bug life cycle process, closure, and metrics. So these are the main phases in the STLC. And in that STLC's time only I'm taking one project exclusively for the manual testing. Because whenever you know project process, then only you can able to test perfectly application. So project knowledge is there whenever you are giving some virtual experience in a resume, there is a valuable. Generally, questions how will come, can you explain one live scenario in the past project? Or in the current project, what are your roles and responsibilities? And can you give me in test plan, what are the major components available? So when these questions are coming easily, you can able to answer. That is I'm covering in the module 5, completely a project experience you are getting. After that, in the module 6, we are coming to agile process. In the agile methodology, what are the components required? Why agile process now industry more preferring, and what are the pros and what are the cons? And what is epic, what is story, sprint planning, backlog, retrospective, all the things, including burned out that I'm discussing. Once you completed this module, half of the point, remaining of is I'm giving Jira. Nowadays, Jira is agile management process, which is excellent right now in the market, which is exclusively for the testers as well as the development team also, but various stages I'll discuss. Once completed these 6 modules, I'm entering into module 7, quality standards. Highly preferred. As a test engineer, some of the quality standards knowledge is there, you will be rocking. Like ISO standard, capability maturity model, popularly known as SEA, Software Engineering Institute. So this is bold name also, Six Sigma standards and IEEE documentation standards. This is the module 7 major components. After that, when I'm entering into module 8, database testing, SQL for test engineers. See guys, having manual testing is not the matter here. Matter is how many extra points you know, how much extra knowledge is there. To become a software test engineer is very easy. But while you're sitting in the interview panel, your resume is going to shortlisted means several technologies you need to add in your resume. So database testing, if you are going to put in your resume, definitely you are getting good number of calls. So introduction to database, what is SQL, what are the different languages available in the SQL commands level, what is DDL, what is DML, what is DR. DR is nothing but data retrieval or retrieve language we're calling. TCL, transaction control language. Like this, there are the different languages. Database testing, functional, non-functional, how we are going to write the database test cases. With that one, I'm not going to stop. But more knowledge required means Unix also required. As a test engine, if you're having Unix knowledge, you are the ultimate maker. So what is this Unix? History of Unix. How many features and what are the main benefits of the Unix and architecture of Unix? What is a file system in the Unix? What are the basic Unix commands? Of course, my number of videos already is there in this channel, Unix based also. Just go to Google, you can type Unix by me, means Unix by Subaraju sir. It's a popular very keyword, just you can try that. So working with the directories and files also provided. And next one is advanced Unix commands, which are completely file modes related, piping and filtering and editors also. Then finally, I'm going to provide you shell programming, Unix shell scripting. So this is completely 8 modules, well designed course. So another 2 modules. Finally, I'm adding what that one, how you are going to prepare the resume. As a fresher, what kind of templates you need to follow. As an experienced person, what are the keywords compulsory in the resume? Like this, complete QA related stuff in this channel existed. Just try to follow that. You are getting a lot of knowledge. Please like, share, and subscribe my channel. Thank you, each and everyone.